Python flask threaded true not working. With threaded equals true, requests are each handled in a new thread. But if I set threaded true to my application, it is showing unknown behavior. This is my code. I have opened two tabs in Windows and tried to request same URL in different tabs. Second request is being served only after first request is being served. Second request is taking ~20 seconds to be served. What is the problem with my code?
From the Flask documentation about deployment options. While lightweight and easy to use, Flask's built-in server is not suitable for production as it doesn't scale well and by default serves only one request at a time. Some of the options available for properly running Flask in production are documented here. That's why your second request isn't happening until the first is complete, because the Flask server on its own can only handle one request at a time. To solve this, you will need to run Flask on some kind of deployment server, for example Gunicorn or Uski, which seem to be the most popular. You also might find the answer to this or this question helpful. Deployment options also has a lot of links to guides and information about different ways of solving your issue.
I can't seem to find my reference, but I recall reading from another SO post why two tabs from the same browser fail when requesting form the same route despite threaded equals true. The gist of the post was that while threading will handle multiple connections to the same app better, the browser itself will try to reuse any already open connections. So with your two tab setup you could request from different routes and it work fine, but if you request from the same route you'll run into an issue because of the recycling of connections by the browser. Try opening two different browsers and testing this. Again, I apologize for not having my original reference. I would like to give the author credit. If I find it, I'll update this post.
I found the most tricky problem. No matter what debug server or production WSGI server you are using, when you are trying multi-processes or multi-threads, you should use different browsers or Chrome incognito window. Solve all my problem. Sample code here.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.